If we can get a rate cut in Q1 of 2024, then one of the $7.5 trillion from the money markets will flow into the equity markets. These were the general words of Mr. Chamath Palihapitiya in a recent episode of the All In podcast, which we will be listening to, that sounded really exciting at the time. But as of today, December 13th, 2023, the Federal Reserve has officially announced that they expect to see 3 rate cuts in 2024. And now, the statement from Mr. Palihapitiya sounds a whole lot more likely to come to fruition. These are super exciting times, you guys. I'm Royce Jacob, and welcome to Waves Capital. So, in this video, we will, of course, be discussing the rate cuts, the statement from the Fed, okay? We'll be reading over some of the specifics of what the Fed had to say and why the markets reacted so positively to this. Okay, on top of that, we will be looking at the watch list. I just want to discuss real quickly a few of my favorite stocks in the market right now, a few stocks that I believe will outperform in the year ahead, and thankfully over at Waves Capital, we're well equipped for if the case may be. I mean, just look at this watch list, you guys. We're seeing double-digit percentage gains, and I really do think this is only the beginning. This was really the spark that we needed, the fundamental catalyst we needed to ignite that flame underneath small caps and growth stocks as we've been hoping for. And you guys, I'm so confident that waves are on the horizon, and 2024 is going to be an amazing one. So once again, we will quickly read over this, but first let's listen to the statement from Chamath. Okay, so I'll only play, this is like a 45-second to a minute clip. I'm going to shut up, sit back, and enjoy this clip with you guys.
I think there will be a rate cut in Q1, and I think this is the Biden bailout.
Let's go.
I think this is a Biden bailout by the Fed, because if they cut rates in Q1, that's going to make everyone feel really flush. It takes about 6 months to work its way into the system, but that's going to give a big boost to the Biden campaign.
If you see a quarter-point rate cut in Q1, $1 trillion of the $5.7 trillion in money market accounts will rip into the market.
Boom. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow is right. That would, in fact, be nuts, JCal. So that was that, you guys. The statement, again, that's why I said generally what he said at the beginning of the video. It wasn't exactly that, but it's right along those lines. You guys get the point. $1 trillion of the $7.5 trillion in the money markets, that's like bonds, treasuries, etc., will move from cash securities or cash equivalent securities into the stock market. Okay? And again, for this reason, the markets absolutely popped today. The S&P 500 alone, we're going to scroll up here, was up 1.4%. The NASDAQ, the Qs were up 1.3%. The Russell 2000, which I've been talking so much about, small caps, you guys, up 3.5% following this news. And once again, this is the reason that I'm so incredibly bullish on the markets as we move into the new year. Okay? So before I discuss some of my favorites, before we read over, I hate how the mouse does that. Before we read over the specifics from the Fed, I want to let you know that I just released a new course, okay? If you guys want to play the volatility that I expect to see in the year ahead, then you should probably learn how to trade options. As always, it's your call. Just trading stocks is just fine. But if you're looking to level up your trading game and kind of reach the end game of trading, it's important to at least understand how to trade options, okay? I've spent the past week making this course. The link to this page, to both of my courses on Teachable. Of course, you guys know what the complete portfolio, daily trade alerts. You've heard that spiel 100 times probably. Go sign up for that too if you want to know exactly what I'm trading, of course. But if you want to learn how to trade options, then I've spent, once again, the last week making this course. I'm very proud of the final product, and I'm excited to announce it here right now. And I'm also excited to announce that I do have a New Year's special going on. Okay, so until January 1st of 2024, this will be $19. Okay, so for the next 2 weeks at the time of recording this video, if you caught a little late, I'm sorry. You can still get it for $29. But for the next 2 weeks until New Year's, this will be $19. January 2nd, it's going to $29. Okay, so for now, you can get the course, which includes 6 videos. Okay, Intro, what is an option? Buying and selling options on Robinhood, buying and selling on TD Ameritrade, my favorite longer-term option strategy, and final thoughts. You guys can see the length of each video that is included within these little lessons. And yeah, I really hope you guys gain some value from this. Okay, so once again, if you guys want to sign up for this, if you want the New Year's special offer, that will be the first link in the description of this video. Appreciate it if you sign up. Again, if you guys want to know which options I'm trading, if you guys already know how to trade options, then you can see my entire portfolio and receive my daily newsletters where we talk about all the names like these every day. This is just today. This is every day, you guys. So many exciting things going on. Then that's my complete portfolio and daily trade alerts, email newsletters. Okay, everything is in the first link of the description. Thank you if you join, and welcome to the winning team. Okay, so that is that, you guys. Let's quickly read over this article from this morning, right after this Fed statement was released. The central bank held the benchmark overnight borrowing rate steady in the 5.25 to 5.5% range as expected, but more importantly, it forecast 3 rate cuts in 2024, which was more than it had previously indicated. Not much change in the Fed's meeting statement, with traders cheering the central bank's forecast of rate easing. However, the statement did acknowledge that inflation has eased over the past year. The central bank also formally lowered its inflation forecast for 2024, seeing a 2.4% rate down from 2.6. Okay, S&P 500, you guys, I'll just scroll down a little here. Looks to be on its way to new all-time highs. I think we have a clear shot to new all-time highs by the new year. I think that many of the names that I featured over here, riot platforms, Bitcoin is on fire. I think Bitcoin sees new 2023 highs by the new year. If you guys watched my last Bitcoin video, I think we see new all-time highs potentially in the month of April, maybe May. Definitely by the end of 2024. If these rate cuts go through, I think we see new all-time highs for BTC, C3 AI, Palantir, Pagaya Technologies. That was one of my dark horses, been one of my top stocks for the month of December. Pagaya up 13% today. SoFi, a gem. We have keep in mind, you guys, we have call options on all of these. Our SoFi call options in the Waves portfolio were up 150% today. Okay, SoFi up 12.5%. Unity doing well. Weight Watchers doing well. Redwire, another stock that I'm extremely excited about that I think will pop. Okay, so a lot of really exciting things going on over here, you guys. Again, I'm so excited for what the year ahead has in store for Waves Capital, for small caps, growth stocks overall, just risk assets. And again, I'm just really excited to ride some waves into the new year with you guys. If you want the options course, hop on to the or just take advantage of the New Year's offer. It'll only be around for a couple of weeks. Again, if you already know how to trade options, if you want to know how I'm trading my personal options and really my entire portfolio on a daily basis, my complete portfolio plus daily trade alerts and email newsletters, it's all in the link in the description. Again, welcome to the team if you choose to sign up. But regardless, I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to celebrating with you in the comments downstairs. Okay? Until next time, you guys, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace. And hey, like the video, please. I always forget to ask that. Like the video. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.